Soy Dora. My abuela's birthday is today, and I'm here to pick up my gift for her. It's in one of these doors, but I can't seem to figure out the meaning of the words that will unlock the doors. I need your help. What is the definition of this word? Please help me from the chat box. Quartile is each of 4 equal groups into which a population can be divided according to the distribution of values of a particular variable. Oh no! How about the next door? The lower class boundary of a class is defined as the average of the lower limit of the class in question and the upper limit of the previous class. It's empty. I have to keep going no matter what. I wonder what cumulative frequency is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. The cumulative frequency is calculated by adding each frequency from a frequency distribution table to the sum of its predecessors. I've got it! Great! You found it! Thanks for helping! Gracias! We finally have my abuela's birthday present. I can't wait to give it to her.
What do we have here?
I need your help to stop Swiper. You have to say Swiper no swiping. Say it with us.
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping.
Swiper no swiping.
You're too late. You'll never find it now.
Too late. I will be hiding this in my secret little cage. Since I'm feeling generous, I'll give you clues where it's hidden.
No! What do we do?
If there's a place you wanna go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. 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 Hey Dora, do you need anything?
I need your help. Swiper took my abuela's birthday present and gave me these clues to find it.
I know the perfect person who can help. Go to the grumpy old troll. He'll know what to do to pass the 4 stages of solving Quartile's for group data.
It's the grumpy old troll.
I'm the grumpy old troll who lives under the bridge. Hey, I'm the grumpy old troll who lives under the bridge. Who's there? If you wanna come over, all you have to do is this. All you have to do is this.
Dora, what are you doing here on my bridge? Before you go, I'll explain to you the formula for finding the quartiles for group data in each variable's meanings instead of answering my tricky riddle. The formula is L plus the quantity of open parenthesis kn divided by 4 minus Cf all over F close parenthesis and multiplied by I, where L stands for lower class boundary, N is your total number of observations, I is the class width or class size. CF is the cumulative frequency before the quartile class. F stands for the frequency of the quartile class, and K is equals to the nth quartile where K is equals to 1, 2, or 3. I hope you'll get through your next challenges. There's a lot more in there. Huh?
Let's see what Swiper gave us to solve this time. Backpack, I might need to list this down. Take it from here, Boots.
Sure thing. Dora, take this pen and paper to solve the obstacles.
The scores of 36 students are 47, 42, 38, 41, 33, 50, 40, 34, 45, 47, 45, 42, 36, 45, 46, 45, 44, 40, 48, 33, 40, 45, 46, 44, 42, 44, 45, 43, 45, 34, 40, 42, 39, 44, 42, and 48. Given the raw scores of 36 students, what is the first, second, and third quartile? Provide that there are 6 classes.
The scores in ascending order is 33, 33, 34, 34, 36, 38, 39, 40, 40, 40, 40, 41, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 44, 44, 44, 44, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 46, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 50. The difference between the highest and the lowest scores all over the number of classes needed is the class width or interval. This means that 50 minus 33 all over 6 is the class width or interval. So if 50 minus 33 is 17, and 17 divided by 6 is approximately equal to 2.8, then rounded up the class width or interval is 3. We're done with the first obstacle.
Since each class only has a width of 3, in ascending order, each class limit is 33 to 35, 36 to 38, 39 to 41, 42 to 44, 45 to 47, and 48 to 50. The tally of each score is 2 students got 33, 2 got 34, 1 got 36, 1 got 38, 1 got 39, 4 got 40, 1 got 41, 5 got 42, 4 got 44, 5 got 45, 3 got 46, 3 got 47, 2 got 48, and 1 got 50. Using the tally, the frequency of each class is: 4 students got 33 to 35, 2 got 36 to 38, 6 got 39 to 41, 9 got 42 to 44, 12 got 45 to 47, and 3 got 48 to 50. Hey Tico, mind if you get the third obstacle?
Yes, of course, I got your back. The lower boundary of the class limit is the lower boundary of each class minus 0.50. This means that the lower boundary of class 33 to 35 is 32.50. For 36 to 38 is 35.50. For 39 to 41 is 38.50. For 42 to 44 is 41.50. For 45 to 47 is 44.50. And for class 48 to 50 is 47.50. The cumulative frequency for the class 33 to 35 has the same as the frequency of the class, which is 4. The cumulative frequency of the succeeding class is equal to the cumulative frequency of the previous class plus the frequency of the current class. This means that the class 36 to 38 has a cumulative frequency of 6, 39 to 41 has 12, 42 to 44 has 21, 45 to 47 has 33, and 48 to 50 has 36.
Oh no, this fourth obstacle seems so tricky. Diego, Daisy, can you help me?
No problem. Using data from previous obstacles, we need to solve for the quartile class before we can solve for the first or lower quartile. The formula for getting the first or lower quartile class is n divided by 4, where n is the total number of observations or the sum of the frequency of each class. Since there are 36 students, the value of our n is 36, and 36 divided by 4 gives us an output of 9. However, this 9 refers to the position of the first or lower quartile class relative to the cumulative frequency. The formula's output of 9 tells us that the first or lower quartile class is the class 39 to 41, since 9 is in between the range of the cumulative frequency of this class, which is 7 to 12. Using the established first or lower quartile class, the values for each variables are L is equals to 38.5, N is equals to 36, CF is equals to 6, F is equals to 6, and I is equals to 3. Substituting all these values leaves us with 38.5 plus the quantity of open parentheses 36 divided by 4 minus 6 all over 6 close parentheses and multiplied by 3. By performing the operation inside the parentheses, 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3, leaving us with 38.5 plus the quantity of 3 over 6 multiplied by 3. To simplify, 3 times 3 over 6 is 9 over 6, and in lowest term, it is 3 over 2, leaving us with 38.5 plus 3 over 2, which gives us an output of 40. Thus, the first or lower quartile is equals to 40.
The formula for the second or median quartile class is 2n divided by 4. Substituting previous data leaves us with 2 times 36 divided by 4, and by performing the operation leaves us with 72 divided by 4, which will give us an output of 18. This output refers to the position of the second or median quartile class relative to the cumulative frequency. The output 18 tells us that the second or median quartile class is the class 42 to 44, since 18 is in between the range of the cumulative frequency of the class, which is 13 to 21. Using the established second or median quartile class, the values of each variables are lower boundary is equal to 41.5, n is equal to 36, cumulative frequency is equal to 12, frequency is equal to 9, and interval is equal to 3. Substituting all these values leaves us 41.5 plus the quantity of open parentheses 72 divided by 4 minus 12 all over 9, close parentheses and multiplied by 3. By performing the operation inside the parentheses, 72 divided by 4 is 18, and 18 minus 12 is 6, leaving us with 41.5 plus the quantity of 6 over 9 multiplied by 3. To simplify, 3 times 6 over 9 is 18 over 9, and in lowest terms it is 2, leaving us with 41.5 plus 2, which will give us an output of 43.5. Thus, the second or median quartile class is equal to 43.5.
The formula for the third or upper quartile class is 3n divided by 4. Substituting previous data leaves us with 3 times 36 divided by 4. And by performing the operation leaves us with 108 divided by 4, which gives an output of 27. This output refers to the position of the third or upper quartile class relative to the cumulative frequency. The output 27 tells us that the third or upper quartile class is the class 45 to 47, since 27 is in between the range of the cumulative frequency of the class, which is 22 to 33. Using the established second or median quartile class, the values of each variables are L is equals to 44.5, N is equals to 36, CF is equals to 21, F is equals to 12, I is equals to 3. Substituting all these values gives us 41.5 plus the quantity of open parenthesis 108 divided by 4 minus 21 all over 12 close parenthesis and multiplied by 3. To simplify, 3 times 6 over 12 is 18. 18 over 12 in lowest terms is 3 over 2, leaving us with 41.5 plus 3 over 2, which gives us an output of 46. Thus, the third or upper quartile is equals to 46.
Now that we solved all the problems, don't you think it's time to insert our answers?
Come on, Dora. I hope we can still attend Abuela's party.
Baby Jaguar wants to help Dora.
We did it, yeah, better sessions, explorers. We did it, yeah, better sessions, explorer. Swiper took the gift and lived the problem. We did it, yeah. Our friends helped us and complete the quartiles. Baby Jaguar input the answers. We did it!
Woohoo! After the long journey, I think we still have time for Abuela's special day. Right, kids?
Of course. And look, Baby Jaguar is such a good pet. Now let's go to Abuela's house.
Oh, hello, my lovely Dora. I thought you cannot come to my special day. But thank you for your efforts. You just made Abuela happy. Oh, you have a gift for me? You're such a wonderful kid. Now, it's your turn, kids, to find solutions and may answer our quiz. We prepared this for all of you watching. It's also Dora's gift.
DJ on the track.